Alright, let's take a look at some chart action for GameStop. Alright, so I'm looking at GameStop and we came up to the target of 280 that I had last time. It's around right here. And we actually broke through that and got up to around 350 or somewhere. Around 350 approximately. So I said that we would come up to the target and then I wanted to reevaluate my plan. So we formed this triangle pattern right here. Kind of a flag pattern really. And I was waiting for a break to the upside or to the downside, whether if I was gonna hold or sell it. And so we broke to the downside, and so I sold about right here at 240. And ever since then we've been coming down. We are on this trend line right here that I have from this support right here. So I'm curious if we are gonna hold support right here or if we're gonna break down. I also have this trend line right here from this little support right here. So I'm curious if it breaks down, if it'll get support right here. We also have this 180 moving average and we're on the 1 hour right now. Kind of line up with this area right here. Alright, so if you take a look at the moving averages on the daily right now, the price came under the moving average right here. And the 180 moving average is way down here at around 40 bucks somewhere, close to this support we had a couple weeks back. If you go to the 4 hour, same thing, the moving average, the price broke below it right here, came down, been moving down ever since. The 180 moving average is way down here, same thing, around that $40 support level. Alright, so this is pretty interesting. We're on the weekly time frame right now, and you can see this moving average right here. It actually looks like it might hold support on this trend line right here. So I would actually be looking for support on this trend line that I had, this bottom purple trend line. Let me try to zoom in. It doesn't really let me zoom in much more. Alright, so you can see this moving average come up like this and we're getting support on it. We broke through it right here just for a second and then we popped straight back through it, which actually looks pretty good. I'm curious what's gonna happen if this keeps coming down and touches this. Are we gonna get support on it or break through it? That's probably the biggest thing to look at right now, is this weekly 9 moving average, in my opinion. It's possible that this holds support on it, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna wait till we get some momentum to the upside and then think about getting back in or not. Alright, if you guys liked that video, hit that thumbs up button.